Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And I am in the park near my apartment, and let me show you the map of the park. This is the map of the park. We are here and this is the seating area, and we have to go to this that is adjacent to this. This is the map of the park, and my little brother has also came, as you can see. Now let's go to the park. There is many greenery, and there are many trees and dogs. As you can see, we are heading toward the playground that is there, and this is the walking path in which we can do jogging, and that is the rain shelter in which if rain happens we can sit there. And there are arrow signs here also. Some children are playing cricket also, and my brother is walking there. And let's head toward the playground where that is adjacent to the gym. This is the outdoor gym and my brother is there, and now we are going to the kids playground. Some people are playing football and some kids are playing their cricket. Now let's go to the playground, and now let's go to the kids playground. And my brother fell down. Now let's go. My brother is going in this, and he is going to slide. And as you can see, he is shouting and he is going to slide. He is going in that way, as you can see. Now he is going to slide. He came down by sliding. He is now here. My brother is going up from here, as you can see. Now he is going up here. Go. He did it. See, this is, and my brother is there, as you can see. See, he came down, and this is the park. This is torn down, and you can see. Noni, come. My brother is enjoying the ride, as you can see. He is now. I am also going to take a ride, and he is there. Now let me go. We are going to walk, and we are heading towards our apartment. Now let's go. See, my brother is there. He is, as you can see, he is enjoying the ride, and they are stuck there. So let's go. So now I am going to the gym. Now let's go. It's a night time and we enjoy a lot here, and now let's walk towards there, and then we will exit this park. This was the play area and this is the gym. So this is the gym, and we have to pull it up after seating, and my little brother is there. Now let's go. See my younger brother, as you can see, he is doing. Now let's me do. And this is the full outdoor gym, and my brother is doing this. And let me do this one. Now I am doing cycling. Now let's do this one. Now this one. Now this one. This is the full outdoor gym, and my brother is there. Now let's me go. Noni, you like this? Now this is for the protection of rain. If the rain come, we can go inside here, and my brother is inside. It is dark and there is less crowd, and as you can see, this is my brother. And now and there is no people, there is less people now, and let's head over to there. When we came it was light, now it is dark, and we are planning to go here. It is this footpath is in circular, and it is the seating area in grass if you want to sit in grass. And as you can see, there are dustbins there, but then also people are throwing garbage in the grass. And this is my brother. Noni, come. His name is Ivan, and nickname is Noni. He is shouting, as you can see he is running. He is going there. Now let's go home.
Noni.
Noni, go. Run fast, run. 3, 2, 1. Now let's go. So now we are heading towards our society, and my brother is going there, as you can see. And we have seated in the seating area in the benches, and it looks so much nice, and the air is touching my face. And please like, share and subscribe the video, and please share your views in the comment section. Now let's go.